tabbies and gauzes are by Robert Ballantyne, lately brought over, with 40 things more. Now hear what the law says: whoever will not wear them is not the king's lover. Though a printer and dean seditiously mean, our true Irish hearts from old England to wean. We'll buy English silks for our wives and our daughters, in spite of his deanship and journeyman waters. In England the dead in woolen are clad, the dean and his printer, then let us cry fie on. To be clothed like a carcass would make a teague mad, since a living dog better is than a dead lion. Our wives, they grow sullen at wearing all woolen, and all we poor shopkeepers must our horns pull in. And we'll buy English silks for our wives and our daughters, in spite of his deanship and journeyman waters. Whoever our trading with England would hinder, to inflame both the nations does plainly conspire, because Irish linen will soon turn to tinder, and wool, it is greasy and quickly takes fire. Therefore I assure ye, our noble grand jury, when they saw the dean's book, they were in a great fury. They would buy English silks for their wives and their daughters, in spite of his deanship and journeyman waters. That wicked rogue Waters, who always is sinning, and before coram nobis so oft has been called, henceforward shall print neither pamphlets nor linen, and if swearing can do't, shall be swingingly mauled. And as for the dean, you know whom I mean, if the printer will